Skidee the World, Chico. Welcome to Skidee Reviews and Unboxings. Please excuse the noise from the ACs. Bumping AC through the Benz, still ride with the Donkin 10s. If it don't make dollars, it don't make sense. You did? Yes, shout out to you if you were ever about the lemon cooler life. Yes, they're back. I could tell instantly by the picture. I was going to cover up the name on the boxes, but why do all that? You know, I just have I'm very jaded because of social media and how people do when we all know real life, you know, and who's naturally been trend setting and jet setting since what, literally 4 years old, you know. I influenced the influencers in real life, you know, unintentionally. Yeah, so, you know, with social media, why put anybody on shit? If you pay me, you did. But, yes, I could tell instantly by the picture. Back to the original lemon coolers. Yes, so as you can see, I'm about the lemon cooler life, and I almost lost my mind the other day when I saw this on the shelf, and I will be going back to get, you know, all of them, clean the store out. Every time the shipment comes in, I will be taking them all. Yes, I can tell by the picture instantly, so it wasn't no need in just buying one. I should at least bought 5, but I didn't. So I came front. Of course, I tasted it already, you know what I'm saying? But we're gonna do the unboxing and taste test and review. You dig? And I will lay them all out on the plate, a couple plates, you know, to show you what they look like, give you a couple views. You dig? I don't know if you can see that there. Come on, man. I mean, you just saw those. That's real pictures from late 80s, early 90s. No, late 80s, matter of fact. And a Cracker Barrel picture. Oops, don't want to say anybody's name. Dang it. But yeah, around 2010-ish. So let's get a taste test here. Get in. Oh, Skidee. Oh, Skidee, the big old Skidee, big old ass Skidee, huh? Speechless, nothing more to say. They're back in my life. If you know about the lemon coolers, I mean, you can't get no closer. 5% of that taste as it's going down, where it used to be lemony, this time it's just a little lime. And it's not the bitter lime, it's that sweet, lovely lime. All on up, you did. So I will give you some more shots and views of these lovely Skidetions. Yes, this is just the beginning video. We have a lot of content coming with these. You know what I'm saying? Big old Skidee, man. Like I say, shout out all y'all Skideers. Y'all be lovely. Hey, Skidee the World, Chico.